Welcome to the series of videos on surface productivity tools for AutoCAD Civil 3D. In this video, we'll demonstrate the Create Multiple Volume Surfaces command. This tool allows for creating multiple volume surfaces at once. So sometimes I'm working on a design, in this case a landfill, and I want to do volume surfaces of various sections of the landfill. And here I just have 9 boxes that represent those sections that I want to do volume surfaces on. But this could be for an entire site, and maybe you want to phase out areas. You could have these boundaries represent different phases of your site or whatnot. And so to do that and generate this, it could take some time. You have to create a tin volume surface, select your base surface, your comparison surface, then select your boundary, and you have to do that 9 different times to generate this. And if you have large surfaces in your drawing that that computing that volume every time can take time, and you're just sitting and waiting for the software to catch up. And so this tool essentially allows you to build this all out in a data grid, and then hit apply and walk away and fill your coffee while you're waiting. So it does pull in existing volume surfaces. So you can see here I have a volume surface that I've already created that is for the entire landfill versus the existing. So now what I want to do is I'm going to take this, and I could either add my own volume surface and pick those base and comparison surfaces in here and add all the different options you have for creating a volume surface. You can remove them out of here. The ones that are already existing in the drawing, they cannot be removed. Or you can copy, which I think is the most efficient way, because now I don't have to worry about selecting the base and comparison surface again. So I can just come in here, make a few copies, and then come in and say I want this to be called Volume Calc 1. I'm going to keep all the same settings, and I'm just going to add a boundary to this that I'm going to select off screen here. So I have this boundary here. So it's got Polyline that's added in there. I'm going to hit apply, and I'm going to go ahead and let's make a few more copies of this. And we'll do, this one will be Volume Calc 2, select the boundary, apply, select the boundary, call this one 3, apply, and select the boundary, call this one 4, and we'll do this boundary down here. So again, we're using all the same settings, so I can continue building this out, get it all set up the way I want it with all the boundaries and whatnot, and I haven't created a single volume surface yet. And now while this thing is calculating, I don't have to focus on it. I can walk away or open up another version of Civil 3D and just let this one compute. And I'll hit apply, and it's going to go through and process. And now if I look at my surface properties, you can see I have all those volume surfaces created for me. Thanks for watching. Feel free to reach out if you have any questions, and be sure to check out our other apps on the Autodesk Exchange Store.